Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Air-King, the 126900, launched as you see it here in 2022. A Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watch. It has a 2-year globally valid warranty. It's been serviced by Rolex trained and certified watchmakers and technicians, and it features all Rolex parts where necessary. So this watch is as good as it gets in CPO. At 40 millimeters in diameter and 904 all steel, it's 11.8 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip, 47.4 millimeters across, include the end links to the Oyster style bracelet, and it is 51.4 millimeters with a 21 millimeter spacing between the lugs. The steel used on case, bracelet, and clasp is 904L steel. Rolex calls it Oyster steel, a high nickel content steel that does not need to be rinsed after exposure to sweat or sea salt. Conventional 316 stainless steel can still corrode under those circumstances. This will not. You can see the hoods of these links are brushed. We have a conforming end link to make it cleanly to the case. The outer face of the links polished. We have removable links, as you can see, fixed by screws. We have a clasp with a double locking factor. There's the clamshell, and then there is the spring-loaded lift lock system with the beak and the hook. A single fold. You can see it's all polished internally. We have the snap-in, snap-out 5 millimeter easy link tool-free adjustment system. And then inside the clasp, you can see there are several pairs of divots that allow you to change the anchoring point by moving the spring bar, and that's the third way to make adjustments to the sizing. Oyster case, twin lock crown, screw down 100 meters, water resistant. You can see we've got a screwed-in Oyster case back. We have a dial that is black lacquer with white gold hands and index and tri-Arabic numerals, and that is so they will not oxidize or tarnish with time. Taking a quick look at the watch in the dark, you can more easily see with the lights out that it is an Explorer dial with the distinctive Explorer 369 tri-Arabic numerals. Note all 3 hands luminescent with Rolex's bright and resilient chromolite lume, which is truly a dusk till dawn luminescence, and it glows that distinctive blue. The second hand lets you know that your timing reference is running in the dark. The rest of the dial is black lacquer and gloss. You can see a combination of white, black, yellow, and green on this dial because Rolex designed the instruments for an aborted supersonic car project called the Bloodhound SSC. And while the car was never made, Rolex followed through with its design of the instruments. So if you search Rolex Bloodhound supersonic car, you'll find the image basis and style basis for this dial in those instruments. A couple of changes here from the past. Of course, the big one being that compared to the 116900, this 126900 has a double up numeral at 1 o'clock. It used to be just 5. Rolex decided that 55 and 05 better balanced each other. We screw the crown out, pull the crown, hacking seconds here. And you can see that now I could set the watch to a reference time. 31 joules, 4 hertz, bidirectional automatic winding, 70-hour power reserve. No longer built like the old Mielgauss. The 116900 shared a case and a movement with the Mielgauss, which meant it was a much thicker watch, over 13 millimeters thick, but Rolex's Parachrome Blue Niobium Zirconium hairspring in this watch means it can achieve Mielgauss anti-magnetism and quite more without the use of an iron inner cage, which allows a much thinner Air-King to be made. The movement also features a full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for shock resistance. That overcoil hairspring made of niobium zirconium has a centered mass for concentric breathing. Translation, it keeps consistent time in almost any orientation with respect to gravity. The free sprung balance also allows for a more precise adjustment of time. The movement is COSC chronometer certified, but the watch, as fully assembled, is tested by Rolex to run no worse than -2 + 2 seconds per 24 hours, hence superlative chronometer. We have lubricants and even the Paraflex shock protection in the movement made by Rolex, which builds every part of the watch: dial, hands, bracelet, case, clasp, movement, and even the small parts in the movement, such as shock protection and lubricants applied. So when you buy a Rolex watch, especially if it is a certified pre-owned Rolex watch like this, you can be assured that it is all Rolex. And again, a 70-hour power reserve due to the new Liga-formed Chronergy nickel phosphorus escapement, a thinner mainspring barrel with a thinner wall, and thus a larger mainspring. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested, Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program: care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed only by Rolex.